Hey y'all, welcome back to Rollin' Pin Recipes. We love to cook in cast iron here. We travel and live in our RV full time. We love it and we enjoy spending the time together with our two dogs. Today we are cooking our meals in the cast iron. I wanted to show y'all what we ate in a day. Starting off with a very simple high protein breakfast, a Dutch baby. Mix a couple simple ingredients up. Go for a bigger bowl, y'all. This is just crazy. People typically blend this up in a blender. I just didn't want to bust out the blender on this day. Give it a nice mix or whisk. Pull out your preheated cast iron from the oven. Rub some butter on there. Make sure you get it on the sides. And you simply pour in your batter. Usually, my Dutch baby comes out a little bit more fluffy. You can see the previous video we have posted about it, but I tried a little bit different ratios today, and it was still delicious, but might have to tweak that later in the future. Turned out delicious, stuck a hair to the bottom. You can see this funny clip of me flipping it from a different angle. I simply slice it up. Give her a little dusting of some beautiful powdered sugar. Such a beautiful sight. And you simply enjoy that Dutch baby. Turns out so delicious. Now we're throwing in some ground beef to the cast iron skillet to make some shepherd's pie. I pulled out the ground beef right from my freezer, pulled out some mashed potatoes that I previously made right from my freezer. Drain off some of that grease, make up a gravy with a simple packet basically I have in the pantry. It's delicious and needs to be used up. Put a little beef broth, some Worcestershire W sauce, that brown gravy packet. I wanted it a little thicker today and I was trying something new. So I added a little potato starch because that's what I have, to some water for a slurry, and I usually add corn. Any other vegetable my family might not prefer. I added a little bit of some instant potatoes to my mashed potatoes to hopefully thicken them up. But y'all, you'll see what happens to this shepherd's pie at the end. This ain't never happened before, y'all. But you want to make sure you get a nice even coating on there, and we top it with cheese. We love pepper around here, y'all, so I can't add enough of that. I love black pepper, fresh cracked black pepper. Top it with cheese, bake it in the oven till that cheese melts. It's all cooked, y'all. And when I pull this thing out, y'all, Jesus only knows what happened to that thing. So funny. The potatoes are there. The gravy just came up on them. And I was so hungry. My family was so hungry that we couldn't wait. That's the potatoes right there. I was able to wait a little bit longer, but you need to let a casserole rest. You need to let it cool, or it's going to be soup. Now my potatoes sank a little and the gravy flooded them out, but bon appetit, y'all. This was still delicious. Cast iron cooking, y'all. We love cast iron. Here it's a little more set up. I was able to wait a couple more minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, consider subscribing and following us along for more. We appreciate y'all for watching. We enjoy cooking so much. We love eating homemade food. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Bon appetit, y'all. Peace out. See you soon. Have a great day.